To edit text in Word according to the specified format is very easy. First of all, select all the text if your Word document already contains writing. Next, we will adjust the font size. To do this, go to the font menu and choose font size, which is located next to the font type settings, then change the font size to 12. After that, we will adjust the line spacing. To set the line spacing, while still in the home menu, select line paragraph and spacing. Several spacing options will appear, then choose 1.5 spacing. So, friends, it's easy, isn't it? That's how to edit text in Word using the format, font size 12 and 1.5 line spacing. I hope this tutorial will be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.